Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Today's guide on how to edit videos using the VN app. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features to create stunning videos. Step 1. Installation and setup. Once installed, open the app to begin editing. The intuitive design will guide you through the process. Step 2. Creating a new project. Tap on New Project to initiate your editing journey. Select the videos you want to edit and add them to your project. VN app allows you to seamlessly merge multiple clips into one cohesive video. Step 3. Editing your video. Preview your video using the play button or by dragging the timeline. Enhance your video by applying filters through the filter button. Trim unwanted parts using the trim icon and split your video with the cut tool. For smooth transitions, explore the variety of transition effects. Adjust video speed using the speed graph for creative effects. Step 4. Adding music and text effects. Elevate your video with music and text. To add music, tap the music button and choose from a selection of free tracks. Insert text by clicking on the text button, allowing you to customize its appearance and position. You can even layer additional images or videos onto your main video. Step 5. Exporting your project. To save your project, tap on the Save button. When satisfied, proceed to export by clicking the Export button. Adjust settings to change resolution, quality, and frame rates. Finally, hit Export to generate your final video. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.